Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce, and in today's video I'm going to show you a very nice and cool product that was sent to me for review. So I'm going to do the unboxing now, and this is the first time that I'm gonna be opening. So let's get started. So the company is called Divoom, and they were so nice to send me these for review. Here it is. It comes this little bag. It's like a present bag or something. It says the Retro Pixel Art Portable Speaker. And here is, oh wow, I thought that it was smaller. It's really nice. And now we can see here the product. It's a little bit heavy, and let's open it. Here it is. It's a very nice light blue color. I'm gonna open it now. The box is really cool, and you can like grab it from here. Okay, you have to press it a little bit harder. Here it is, the Retro Pixel Art Portable Speaker. It's like a computer, which is really neat. You can just remove these plastics from here. The keyboard is very similar to the old keyboards. You have to turn it on and off from here, and here is a USB so you can charge it, and here is a micro SD. Let's turn it on and see what happens. Wow, this is very cool. The colors are very vivid. Here it goes. Here are some stickers. Here's a user manual, and here is the cable, I guess, to charge it. This is a desktop accessory, and you can create pixel art. You can do different things. You can set up the alarm. So let's change. It's 3:05. So let's change it. It seems that you can also record a voice memo. So pull and hold. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. Can you hear my voice? Hello. Can you hear my voice? You can also play some games. Also, you can play some music. You have to have Bluetooth. So let's try and do it and see how that works. Okay, so once I go to my settings and I go to Bluetooth, I can see that there is other devices here. Select that. Now let's see if I can play some music here. As you can see, I have Spotify open here, and it says Ditoo. This is cool, huh? Let's see what else does it have. Okay, it seems that here is the minus button and this is the plus button, and it seems that it works for the volume. Let's see. Plus. See how the bar is charging here? Okay, let's in minus. See how it's moving. Now let's see, this is for the lighting. Okay. You can use it as a different type of things. This could be used as a present for a people who works from his computer or her computer. It's amazing. I mean, from my point of view, I am a software engineer, so I just love this little device. It's of the size of your hand. Okay, so if you ask me if I like it, I really do. I love it. The sound is great so far. I just need to learn how to set up the hour. The other feature I showed you before, it was to set up the alarm, so I need to test that as well. But overall, I think that this is a really great and cute device. Very, very original. I haven't seen something like this before. If you want to know more about where you can get this product, please just go on the description box because I'm gonna be adding all the details there. So I hope you like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to click on the like button and on the subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you the next time. Bye bye.